Welcome to Maruti Machine Tools, manufacturer and exporter of lathe machines. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in 2005, at Rajkot, we have spread our wings to East Asia, Middle East, and other countries. Bajaj, Mahindra, and ISC are some of our prestigious clients, and we are backed by cutting-edge technology and efficient logistics facilities. We offer a wide assortment of light, medium, and heavy-duty lathe machines. CNC, special purpose and geared lathe machines are best in the industry amongst others. We are engaged in offering supreme quality CNC lathes and turning machines that are a class apart. We also provide lathe machines and precision lathes that are extremely reliable. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of special purpose and extra heavy-duty lathe machines. We are instrumental in offering a wide array of grinding and chuck lathe machines that are cost-effective. To get more information, log on at www.marutilathe.com.